Hey there, welcome back to In Fact, and the channel where truth is stranger than fiction. Today's story sounds like a plot from a spy thriller, but it actually happened, and it all started with a single camera shot. In 2006, something extraordinary happened in the United Kingdom, not because of a prison break, not because of a riot, but because of a single television broadcast. It was just a routine news segment. A BBC crew had been granted rare access to film inside Prison Whitemoor, a high-security facility in Cambridgeshire. Their goal? To show the public how modern prisons operate, the routines, the security, the daily life behind bars. Everything seemed normal, until the editors made one critical mistake. During the broadcast for just 2 seconds, the camera showed a close-up of a prison officer's keyring, and clearly visible on it was the master key used to open cell doors, gates, and secure zones across the entire prison. Now here's where it gets worse. At the time, the UK prison system wasn't using unique keys for each facility. Instead, hundreds of prisons across the country relied on the same standardized locking system, meaning that a key from one prison could potentially open doors in dozens of others. And once that image aired on national television, anyone with a screenshot, a printer, and access to a skilled locksmith could reproduce an exact copy of that key. Overnight, the entire physical security of the UK prison estate was compromised. The government had no choice. Within days, the Ministry of Justice launched Operation Keychange, one of the largest and most urgent security overhauls in British penal history. They had to replace 11,000 locks, 3,200 master keys, and reconfigure access systems in over 130 prisons across England, Wales, Scotland, and Northern Ireland. The total cost? Estimated at over £2 million, roughly 2.5 million US dollars at the time, all because of a 2-second shot that no one thought twice about. But this wasn't just a bureaucratic blunder, it exposed a deeper flaw. Over-reliance on uniformity in security design. Using identical keys across an entire national system might save money, but it creates a single point of failure, a catastrophic vulnerability. Ironically, this incident became a textbook case in security management courses worldwide. It's now taught as a classic example of security through obscurity, the dangerous idea that something is safe just because it's hidden until it isn't. And while no actual prison break occurred as a result, authorities later admitted it was only a matter of time before someone tried. So the next time you see a key on screen, even in a movie, a documentary, or a news report, remember, sometimes the smallest detail can unlock the biggest disaster. Thanks for watching, In Fact. If this story surprised you, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell, because every week we uncover truths that sound too wild to be real, but are backed by facts. Until next time, stay curious.